Today I got a visit from Topher White of Rainforest Connection. He helped me install one of his audio recording and streaming devices made from an old Android cell phone on the St. Paul campus of the U. At this point, Topher's putting the phone into the enclosure, which will eventually be waterproof when we put the lid onto it. After this, he's routing wires around it, making certain that the antenna and microphone are all hooked up, and then making certain that the device is streaming properly to the Rainforest Connection website. And now it's time for deployment, which Topher did because, well, being the tallest and lankiest among us, he's also the best natural tree climber. Add to that the fact that he actually has experience climbing trees hundreds of feet up in equatorial rainforests, so he had a little bit of an advantage there.